Yes guys, what's happening? Welcome back to another vlog, week 5. Finally back to work this week. Holiday's done, I've had nearly 2 weeks off, so it feels a bit weird to get up early and go back to work, but I'm starting the day off by going to the gym, starting healthy again, because I've eaten way too much food. Alright then guys, just arrived at my first job back. It's a boiler service, so nice and easy. The time is 26 minutes past 9. I'm going to do this boiler service. I'm going to see if I can get it on a time lapse. After this, I've got one more service just along Brighton seafront. Alright then guys, so that was a nice first job back. That's its second year service. It was only installed 3 years ago, I think. Yeah, 3 years ago, and I think it's his second or third, I can't remember. But the boiler's like in mint condition. Right, well, I just come for a boiler service. First glance, not the best of conditions, but in closer inspection, you've got melting up there, melted of that, expansion vessel full of water, got leaks down here, leaks down there. But to top it off, I put the analyzer in it, and we've got over 4,000 parts per million, so it's out of range. So I'm just gonna cap this boiler now. Quote for repairs, but I think it's looking like gonna need a new boiler, so gonna get a quote together to replace this. So bit of an annoying one, but it is what it is. You can't save every boiler. That is crazy. Look at that, literally melted it completely. Right then guys, just bumped all my stuff upstairs now. Just got to fit a shower screen here. But yeah, it's obviously there now. Little contract bathroom suite. It's not looking too bad. This was the basin that I said that needed to be changed. It's been changed now and they're happy with it, so it's all good. But yeah, stick a time lapse on and get this shower screen on. Screen's fitted now, just got to silicone it all up. Silicone on the outside, the inside, and both sides as well. And then just got to do a bit of white around the top of the bath, and then we're good to go. But yeah, it looks nice. Happy with that. It's all changed over now. Happy days. What have I got to do now? Just got a silicone around here now. And then silicone around the bottom of there. All the outside is done, just got to do the insides, and then up here is done. So it's almost one completely ticked off now. Right, the time is now 3 o'clock. I've done all the silicone in inside and all the silicone in across here, behind the bath and up there. Shower screen's on, so up here, apart from the bath panel, is completely done. So yeah, changed that as well today. I'm gonna call it a day now. I've had enough. No guys, the time is now 4:30. I'm pretty much at home now. Called it an early day as it's my first day back and didn't want to go too mad. Just wanted to have a nice easy day, ease myself back into it. Tomorrow we've got a boiler service in Haywards Heath in the morning, and then back to Lewis Road just to finish off a couple of little bits. Just got to commission the boiler, hang a vertical rad, and just go around the customer and make sure they're all happy. But yeah, apart from that, that's today done. Just gonna go and edit a video for YouTube, the weekly vlog for last week. I just haven't had a chance of editing yet, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, apart from that, I'll catch you in the morning when I'm going to the gym. Guys, good morning. It's Tuesday and the time is 8:15. My first job's in Hayward Heath today, so we're going straight over to there to be then heading back to Brighton to go to the job I was at yesterday to finish off. I could have finished it yesterday, but I was getting a bit tired, so thought I'd leave it and then come back today fresh. So yeah, no gym because my leg's killing me. Right, let's get going. Know what the score is by now. Every morning, coffee, litre and a half of water. You know the score. So we're here now. I've literally just got to drain down this heating system here and then hang this rad on that wall. I've got angled bracket, so the height's determined, but I first fix this, so I don't know what it's going to look like. I don't know who first fixed it, but I think we're taking over from the previous plumber. But yeah, so that's the job. All the stuff's bumped in now, so literally just got to drain down, hang this rad, and then upstairs commission the boiler, then we're good. This is a nightmare. Right, so radiator, they've had it 5 years, never used it. Brackets, got 2 right ones to sit at the top. They go through the middle. I only got 2 of them, so I ordered some new ones. New ones come, not right, sent them back. Ordered some new ones, they come, they're not right. So I can't do it. Absolute nightmare. Pack stuff up, let's go. Alright, now I'm just gonna commission this boiler up, make sure it's all good. Obviously, before I go, fill up that hole. But yeah, just gonna commission this one now. Alright guys, what's happening? Bit of a nightmare really, that job. I went there to do that radiator. It was literally got all my gear in, it's in the basement, so I was like up, down, get it all in. When I got all there, got it all well, not unpacked, it was already unpacked, but it's a bit of a red flag anyway. But I was like, right, okay, cool. Valves, angled valves, that's sweet, they're all there. Brackets, 1, 2, why is there only 2? Okay, alright. Oh shit, alright, they've ordered some. Cool, open it up. Wrong brackets. So, I swear they've already reordered them. So what has happened is they couldn't find the brackets, so they've ordered some. They ordered the wrong ones, so they sent them back. They sent new ones, and then they're wrong again. Oh, it does my head in. Just 2 brackets. We'll just get a new rad. It's so annoying. And then but after that is whatever. And then to top it off as well, push the dishwasher back, leg snapped. So I don't know what to do about that. I think I'm gonna get a carpenter to either build a frame, or the customer's not happy, buy a new dishwasher. But it's just been one of them days. But I managed to finish it off and go and commission that boiler upstairs. That job's pretty much done. There's a little bit of condensed to finish off, which is not hard, but I haven't got time to do that today, which is annoying, but again, is what it is. And then but now I'm going down to Bognor to pick up a pit bike. So I've wanted one for ages, so I'm gonna go and treat myself and buy one. Yeah, gonna go and enjoy that. So if I get any pictures, I'll show you. If not, I'll catch you later. Pulled over, I thought I'd give the van a little clean. Looking a bit dirty, so just sorted everything out. It's looking fresh now. I've got to sort something out with this though, because every time I turn a corner, this keeps happening, keeps falling over. It stops moving, but as you can see, when it's falling over, it's smashing the wood about. But maybe I'll get a strap or something, so I'll strap it to the roof or something. I'm not too sure. I don't know. I've got to do something, because every time I turn a corner, it ends up like this. It's a nightmare, absolute nightmare. But yeah, we'll work something out. I'll have a think about it. But then, oh, it's so heavy, and I end up pushing it back so it stays like that. But yeah, we'll see. Guys, time's 8:30 now, Just finished riding for a bit, so I'm about to leave to go back home. As you can see, hair's all over the place. So yeah, fun day, long day, but on my way back to home now. So I'll catch you in the morning. Ciao. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday. The time is 7:20. I'm on my way into work. Today on the agenda is I'm fitting a bath and doing a bit of first fixing for a bathroom. So I'll throw some filming in of that. But first, you know the score. Every morning I need to go and get a coffee. This one's not fresh, so I'm gonna go and get another one. Here now. Basically what we've got to do, trace 150 centres for a surface shower bar mixer. Bath goes in here, taps here, towel up there, toilet, and then basin up here. Just got to drag a cold along, swap them around, put them up there, so pretty simple. But firstly, mark the centres, grind it out, chisel it out, and get the pipes in. So let's get that going. Guys, it's 5:30 now. Had a pretty good day. Managed to bring the pipe along, hang and pipe that. That's all up and running. Bath's in, leveled, wasted, piped. It's all good. Chased out 150 centres. Ready for the bar mixer to go up there. We've got towel going on here, toilet in there, and then that's about it. But I just started to make a little bath panel. Because we've got the return side down there to do as well. So just literally got to do one more button there, finish that bit up. But I've got to convert that to copper, bring that along and up for the towel. So that's why I left that bit open. Just got that side to do. But it's all being tiled tomorrow. So happy days. So Friday I'll come back and finish that off. So other than that, it's been a good day. I don't know about anyone else, but when it gets to Thursday, I'm so tired. Like, it's the hardest day for me, I think, Thursday, because it's the day before the weekend, and I just get so tired. But yeah, anyway, let's crack on, but I need to go and get a coffee. Get your face in it, mate. Morning guys, it's Friday, buzzing, bank holiday weekend, everything's all good. I'll explain why I didn't cut the video yesterday at the end of the day. Before I do anything, just need to get some diesel. Also, it's a little trick with a gas meter kit. Put it in there, wedge it up. Works a treat. I forgot to... What's going on here? Huh? Seatbelt sign went off, but so no one's sitting there. What is it? I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, so then after that I went and collected parcels from my mum's house. And then I went to help my friend with his motorbike. Can't get it started, so I ended up spending quite a few hours around brain, like trying to sort it out, brain farting, and that was it. I think I got home at like 9:30 last night, had dinner, bath, went to bed. Just pretty tired, but it doesn't matter because today's a good day. I'm sick fixing that bathroom, so let's go and get that bathroom sorted. And I'm going to enjoy my coffee on the way in and listen to Diary of a CEO podcast of Gary Neville. What better way to spend your morning? Lovely. Alright, so shower's done now, all up. Just marked up for the towel, so hang it on there. And then got to put 2 sockets on there, bring that across, and then up. So maybe a couple with clip there and a clip there, the pipe work. Try and make it look half decent, but it's hard trying to make something look decent when the previous people who left the pipes there is left me a bit of plastic. Right, we're all done now. Towel rails on, pipes are kicked back, goes up, shower rails on, toilets in, basins in, baths in. Couldn't do the shower bath screen because the distance from here to here is 1.39 and the bath shower screen is 1.4. I tried to cut a little bit of the ceiling, see if I could lose a little bit in the ceiling, but it just doesn't work. So it's annoying, but pretty happy about this one turned around. There's a 2-day turnaround on this one. Obviously now it's got to be painted and stuff like that. But yeah, apart from that, pop back on Tuesday when that comes, when the new shower screen comes in, then we'll be good to go. But yeah, quick turnaround. Happy. What's going on, guys? That's the end of this weekly vlog. If you did like it, please smash that like button and subscribe button. It does mean a lot. But until then, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.